to my channel. My name is Hayley if you're new here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Lookfantastic box for September. So let's take a look inside, shall we? So there's what it looks like this time. Lots of goodies in there. I can see something I'm already excited about. So let's get it, shall we? It's this big one here. I had one of these before in a box. So this is Rituals, and it's the Ritual of Sakura body scrub, and I just love this. Let's have a smell. It might have a seal on it. I'm going to use it straight away. So let's have a look in there. It's got a little seal there. So there's what it looks like. Lots of nice oils in there. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. That smell is just gorgeous, so I can't wait to use that. This is really nice. It's got lots of oils in there and you feel so nourished afterwards. So that's a good one. And what is this worth? This is 125 grams and it's a deluxe size and it's worth over £11. I think I had the full size one last time and that's £18, I think. So it could have gone up since then because I had it last year. So that is a really good one. Loving it. Now what have we got next? I think I'll take this one by Elemis. So we've got the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream SPF 30 and that is 15ml and it's worth £38. I'm so shocked at how much that tiny little one is worth. I have got a marine cream on the go and it's in a nice tub. I have got one here. This is the full size one and I got this in a advent calendar and it just smells gorgeous. I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what the full size one would look like. It does come with a little cover over there, but mine, it kept sticking like, and it was really hard to get out, so I got rid of it. So there is what that looks like. So it'll be the same, it's just in a tube. And it is so nice and light, and the smell of this is just wonderful. It's such a beautiful smell. It's so relaxing. So this is a good box already. I'm loving this box. Very good. So yeah, I think this full size, I don't know how much that's worth. I know it's a lot. So that was really good. I got that in the calendar. So I won't open this one. Has it got a seal? Let's see. Yeah. This one is sealed, so that's good. I can keep that one sealed until I use it. Now, what have we got next? I think I'll take this green one. So this is the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask, and it's a deluxe size, and it's 14ml, and this is worth £11. This says a soothing gel mask that nourishes and hydrates skin, restores softness, and minimises the appearance of pores. And I have had the, I think it's a rose one, and it left my face feeling so smooth. Even while it was on, I was like, why is my face really, it was super smooth. So I really enjoyed the rose one, so I look forward to trying this cucumber one. So this looks really nice. It says it Extreme Detox Hydrator. It says refreshing, cooling, moisturising, helps soothe the look of dry skin with cucumber extract. So I will look forward to having a go with that one. I'm surprised, you know, I'm pleasantly surprised by Peter Thomas Roth because I have never tried him before, and I tried it just recently, that rose one, and I thought that was really, really good. So another good one. And then I've got one here I can recognise. So this is Pixie Skin Treats Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner, and this is 15ml, and it says it's a deluxe size worth £5. And what does it say for this one? This toner aims to gently exfoliate skin, deeply cleansing pores to diminish the look of blemishes and breakouts, while aloe locks in hydration and minimises large pores. And I know these ones are quite popular, aren't they? These Pixie Glow Mists. So I'll have fun trying that out. Still a couple more things in here. I'm going to get this one here. Dr. Paw Tinted Lip Oil Coral Crush. Full size, worth over £5. And this says nourishing lip care meets a splash of colour with this tinted lip oil. The 98% natural formula is designed to drench lips with lightweight hydration while offering a glossy finish. Oh, this is on a stick. I thought it was going to be one of those squeezy ones because I think I had a Dr. Paw one that you squeeze on straight onto your lips. So this one's got a little doe foot applicator. Let's see what it looks like. So there's that. That's a nice tin, isn't it? And it smells nice too. Let's put a bit on over the top of my lips. And it feels nice and hydrating and nourishing. Oh, I like that. It's giving them a nice tint, hasn't it? And it doesn't feel sticky or anything like that. So that's a nice one. And what was that one worth? Over £5. It's got a nice taste as well. And then got the last thing. I saved it till last. We've got Paradox. I love Paradox. I'm really excited to try this. I love the smell of these. I've only ever had the pink ones, so I don't know what this blue one is like. So this is We Are Paradox Thickening 3-in-1 Conditioner, 30ml deluxe size, worth over £12. So it's a conditioner, a hair mask and a finishing cream. So you can use it for all those 3 things. Whether you're hydrating, strengthening or taming flyaways, this conditioner promises to visibly repair, thicken and polish. Let's have a smell and see if it smells the same. So it's got a metal seal in there. Oh, I'm so rubbish with this. It's got a metal seal in there, but I'm gonna puncture it because I like these. Oh, I had a right old shock, hadn't I? I'm gonna put it in my hair. I can't believe that just flew out like that. So be careful with yours if you get it. Oh, it just keeps coming out. Oh, I can put it down. I'm going to put it in my hair. Let's have a smell. Oh, I had a right old shock with that one, didn't I? So be careful if you open yours. Yeah, it's got that Paradox smell. I love the smell of these. I'm going to put it in my hair. Oh, can't wait to use this. I'll probably use it. I'm so happy to have this. I will probably use this as a leave-in because it just makes your hair so soft. I've had a couple of these, and I love the 3-in-1 things because they do the pink one as a 3-in-1 as well, and it's just lovely. It really is. It's got like a refreshing smell, and I don't know, is it eucalyptus or minty smell or something, but also something else in there, like, I don't know, a floral smell maybe. I'm not very good at describing smells. Oh, lovely. Really glad to get my hands on that. So I think this was a really good box. Just be careful when you get yours out because it could fly out at you. But this is a really good product. And this one was, I can't remember if I said, this one's worth £12. So that was a lovely box. I'm really happy with all of these products. And I'm going to use that scrub straight away, and this. And the hair, the scrub and the hair. Oh, I just love it all. I won't open that. Should I? Let's have a smell of this. That's got a seal on it, so I won't open it because I've got some that are open already. So I'll keep that one sealed and then use it when I want to open it. So I really enjoyed this box. What do you think? Are you going to get it? Are you subscribed? Have you already got it? Tell me what you think about the box. So thanks for joining me to look at this box for September. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, can you give me a like and subscribe? I would really appreciate that. And I will see you again next time. Bye bye.